Okay, so I'm just back with a quick update. So after speaking with my professor and some of my coworkers, they recommended that I go back in and make sure that my RAM was installed properly and the whole thing in the right, they were in the right position. So I did that, and I realized that my RAM wasn't all the way in. So that fixed the problem of the rebooting. So it's no longer stopping and starting and stopping and starting the whole thing and going through the whole process all over again. So the issue that I'm having now is I'm still not getting a signal on my monitor. So even when I go in, and that's just the cover, I haven't taken the cover off the monitor yet. When I go in to kind of select, oh, I turned it off. Let's see. So it's still saying no signal, please check input. No signal. And even when I go in to make changes to, oh, I did it again, turn this thing off again. When I go in to adjust the settings, it has to go through this whole process. Lord, this thing is just... Okay, check, okay. And so when I go in, as you can see, you could make a selection for the source. So let's do VGA. It's like still no signal. I'm still not getting a signal, and I'm not exactly sure. At this point, I don't know. I really don't know. So like I said, I'm still looking for suggestions and remedies to this problem. So yeah, I'm going to end this here, and I will talk to you guys later.